Interpreting graphs, pictographs. A pictograph is a type of chart that uses pictures or symbols to tell you how much data you've recorded in given categories. I'll show you an example right now about what I mean, and this one is going to have recorded hours of sunshine recorded through June, July, August, September and October. So just to remind you of a number of things that a pictograph needs to have. It needs to have a title so that the person reading it knows what you've recorded. It needs to have a label for each category. In our case, that's the months that you recorded the hours of sunshine for. And it needs to have a key, and the key lets you know what each picture, in our case a picture of the sun, it lets you know what each one of those represents. It tells you here that for our pictograph, one sun represents 20 hours. So, how do you work out how many hours of sunshine have been recorded for June, for example? I'll show you a quick calculation over here. So, for June, you'll see that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 suns, and so that means that we have 6 times 20 hours sunshine recorded, which is 120 hours. Okay, what about October? Well, October asks a slightly different question, because in that you'll notice one of the pictures has been halved. If you have half a picture, it simply means that it's representing half of the amount shown in your key. So, for October, to work out how many hours of sunshine we had recorded, we count 1, 2, 3, 3.5. So for October, we would work out 3.5, 3.5, multiplied by 20 hours. And that gives us a total of 70 hours. Okay, why don't you pause the video at this stage and see if you can work out what the answer for the number of hours of sunshine recorded for August is. And I'll just write the answer in here for you. Okay, so for August, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 suns recorded. Each one represents 20 hours. So for this one, it's going to be 4 times 20 hours, which equals 80 hours sunshine in total. So that you have a record of it. We already know that October had 70 hours recorded. You can see that September is the same. And for July, well, July is the same as June, but for half a sun missing, which means we've lost 10 hours when compared to June. If we had 120 hours for June, then for July, and I'm just going to write it right over the top of this, you have 110 hours recorded. Thanks for watching.